Dang! Shoot! Right on this. Ooh, dang! Stop that. Okay, taste test. What is happening, guys? It's your boy Bisdak, bro. What's good? What's good? What's been happening? It's been like what, 2 to 3 weeks that I haven't uploaded anything at all, which is pretty sad. For me, I've been caught up with work and stuff like that, family and stuff. So today I'm gonna do a cooking show, a cookout. All right, I'm gonna try to do a crispy lechon kawali double fry. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna boil it first and then air dry it and then double fry it. It should be good. It should be alright. This is my first time to do it. We'll see how it comes out. I'm just chilling in my room first. This is just not my room. It's me and my partner's room. Take a full twist. Yeah. But before this, I would just like to air this out because I've been sad, to be honest. Sad to the fact that one of my greatest idol, one of the reason why I love basketball. I just love watching NBA because of this guy. He's one of the reason why yesterday we lost the greatest basketball icon, and that is Kobe Bryant. He left us at the age of 41. He's too young, trying to figure out what happened. They're about to go to a practice, something with Gigi, that's his daughter. And then the chopper went down or something in Calabasas, California. That thing happened. It was like everyone was just shocked about it. Let your loved ones know that you love them because tomorrow is really not promised. So in tribute to Mr. Kobe Bryant, I'm wearing his jersey. I don't know if you can see it. His jersey number 24. I haven't worn this for a long time, but today I'm gonna wear it. Tribute to the one of the greatest baller that ever made it. Rest in paradise, legend Kobe Bryant. First thing is first. Is that right? First thing is first. All right, I got my pot right here. And put it here. Put the pot there. And I got this 4/4 roast. It's a roast pork. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash it first. It's the most important thing, is to wash it. Wash. It's hard to vlog with one hand. First thing, we're gonna boil it. Boil it first. Put it in a pot like that. Put some water. And then we boil it. Oh, heavy water, man. Okay, it's right there now. Oop, wrong stove. There you go. Cracked pepper, cracked. This pepper's on cracked. Vegeta. It's like, it's not MSG, it's Vegeta. What do you call it?
Vegetable stock.
Vegetable stock.
Powder.
And salt. Salt, okay. So what it's doing is just basically we're trying to flavor the pork so it's not bland. Add more, a bit more, okay. Be generous. It's in an hour and a half, I guess. Now I think it's soft enough. Oh yeah, should be soft. Yep, that's soft enough. In here. Now what we're gonna have next, we'll leave it to air dry. Poke the skin. Actually, we're gonna fry it outside because if we fry it here, it'll probably just oil goes everywhere. So we're gonna try to fry it outside, or else my wife's gonna kill me. It will be messy. So if we fry it outside, it'll be good. Turn it on.
I'm gonna go move okay.
See, it's just there you go. Put it on high. Make sure it's even.
Is it the highest?
Yeah, I think so. Put the pot we can cook in. And we gotta put significant amount of oil so at least it can cook it like up to the middle, I guess. Too many. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna double fry it. What happens? We're gonna put this pork, and when it's about to get crispy, or at least it's a bit crispy, pull it out, let it cool again, and after letting cool a couple of minutes, you're gonna put it back to the fry, to the oil, hot oil. Very far. There we go. It's frying.
Starting. Starting.
Shit. Like that.
Here, cover your hand.
Oh shit. Right.
I'm so far away. I'm here at the gate.
The name of Lechon Kawali, man. Is Lechon Kawali or crispy pata? Yeah, crispy pata.
Piniritong baboy. Careful ha, matagot mo yung
Tak.
Here, cover your arm.
Shit.
Here,
I think he's angry.
catch it.
I think the pot's angry. Where's the other one? It's gone. Didn't see it.
Ang dagat.
Why do you have like short phones now?
Because
Dang it! Shoot! Stop that! You haven't had it for a while, eh? Right on this.
oh!
Dang it! That's this shit. Fuck around with me, boy, I'll kick you. There we go. Looks nice and red. Alright, we're gonna take this inside. I think we have to transfer it in the garage because I didn't put any lights here. It's starting to get dark. Well, the sun is out already, so we're gonna transfer it to the garage and then do the second fry. Second part. Make it crispy. Hopefully, it'll make this crispy.
Oh! Oh! Survived.
Still frying, second time. That's frying. We're gonna wait for it. Hopefully it'll go crispy, eh? Ooh. crispy. Crispy. So look at the skin. Look at the skin. Ooh. So crispy. So crispy. So crispy. What is happening, guys? Now I am back and I'm ready to eat. This is the time where I do the mukbang. Do you say that? Mukbang, mukbang, whatever you call it. It's the same thing. It's about eating in front of the camera and a bit of ASMR. Okay, so I got the food right now. I'm not gonna use any plate just for this one. I have the Filipino sauce with, like, there's garlic, there's onions, there's tomatoes, soy, pepper, salt, and what else is in here? Vinegar. And I got the crispy pata already. Oh, if you only see that, man. Look at that. So crispy. If you only can hear it, like, I don't know, let's see, like, can you hear that? So crispy. All right, and I got a rice, of course. Typical Filipino diet is with rice. So yeah, I'm gonna eat it with rice. I'm gonna use my hand to eat, all right? Okay, let's do a taste test first with this one and see if it's crispy. Ooh, hear that? Okay, taste test. Wow. Wow. Let's do it again. Do it again. This time it's a bit bigger. Bit of meat. Meat to it. There you go. Dip it in the sauce. Wow. Dip it here. Skin. But yeah. A bit of fat to it. You can see that. A bit of fat. Yum. Right, I'm gonna have my last bite, then I'm gonna share it to the rest of the family, the rest of the crew. But before that, I'd like to thank you guys for staying and for watching this video. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel and give it a like if you like this video. And hopefully you watch my next video, which is I'm trying to do a rotisserie duck, lechon duck, which I'm gonna use my electric rotisserie. It'll be good, be fun, and yeah, I hope you will watch it again. So thank you guys. This is Bisdak abroad signing out. Thank you very much. Peace out. Mm.